Once your SQL Server database tables are populated with data, the next step is report development, turning raw data into meaningful insights. WSI has designed and optimized thousands of reports across industries to ensure clarity, performance, and scalability. SQL Server Reporting Services, or SSRS, is a powerful platform for creating interactive reports, accessing them securely via web interfaces and integrating with custom applications. It is included with your Microsoft SQL Server license at no additional charge. Why pay extra for costly subscription-based reporting tools? Proper report design is critical. WSI ensures your reports are accurate, optimized for speed, user-focused, and scalable as your data grows. Our experts assist with report structure, query optimization, parameter-driven and drill-down reports, integration with SSRS, Power BI, security, role-based access, and custom dashboards. Whether building new reports or refining existing ones, WSI delivers results aligned with your business goals. Start your report design journey with WSI, smooth, efficient, and results-focused. Turn your SQL Server data into actionable insights today. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.